Hi, everyone, how are you? Today I'm going to share Ramadan's special crispy fried chicken or chicken pakora recipe. So simple and easy recipe, anyone can make it. Chicken wings 1 kilogram. Lemon juice 1 tablespoon. White pepper 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Tasting salt 1/2 teaspoon. Ginger garlic paste 2 teaspoon. Cumin powder 1/2 teaspoon. Garam masala 1/2 teaspoon. Chicken masala 1 teaspoon. Chili powder 1 teaspoon. Mix well. Rest for 1 hour. Batter preparation. Garam flour 1 cup. Rice flour 4 tablespoon. Chili powder 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon. Garlic powder 1 teaspoon. Roasted cumin powder 1/2 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Mix. Water is required. Mix together. Done. Rest for 15 minutes. Baking powder 1/2 teaspoon. Beat until combined. Time to fry. Chicken wings deep with garam flour batter. Shake excess. Fry 10 to 12 minutes medium-high heat. Flip. Done. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.